Minister on one thing. The budgets for the CBI and the ED have been reduced this year, and I was wondering why. Is it because the voters didn't like the fact that you were using the CBI and the ED to go after the opposition and file fake affidavits? Or is it because you have outsourced the CBI and the ED completely to a businessman in Ahmedabad who's controlling the whole thing? Why have you reduced it? Number one, the former Maharashtra Home Minister highlighted how BJP leaders and agencies have threatened him to filing a fake affidavit. In the case of Sandesh Kali in West Bengal, the women have confirmed on video that BJP leaders forced them to file fake statements. Similarly, I'm told in my matter, Mr. Adani on October 16, 2023, got my friend to his office in Ahmedabad and threatened him with dire consequences to file a fake affidavit. Actually, it was Mr. Adani's in-law, Mr. Cyril Shroff, who filed the fake affidavit and forced him to sign it. Even today, every mid-level official in Adani's office calls mid-level officials in the CBI and says 161 statement change karaiye, aapka sir ko bulaiye, madam ke against mein statement dijiye. I am telling the CBI via you, madam, please take a 164 statement once and for all. Don't keep calling back people at Adani's behest to change 161 statements to implicate me. It's going to get you nowhere. Let us reduce the CBI and the ED budget to zero. Let us, Mr. Adani, pay the full 1,500 crores. Let us outsource it completely to him. End of story. In short, this Kursi Bajao budget is a desperate attempt by the government to stick its head in the sand and act like the mandate of 2024 never happened. But the coming days are going to prove the instability of this government and the inefficacy of its economic policy. We wait for that day. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्य,
ये जिस केस के बारे में जिक्र कर रही हैं, वो लोकपाल पर मेरा केस है। मेरा केस है, मैंने कंप्लेन किया है, मेरे कंप्लेन पर वो केस है। वो मामला सब जुडिस है, उसको सीबीआई और ईडी इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है, और इसीलिए इस सदन में नो क्या, ये मेरा केस है, लोकपाल पर मैंने जो है कंप्लेन किया हुआ है, और ये केस मेरे ऊपर है, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ बैठा हुआ हूँ। ये कुछ भी हो रहा है तो दर्शन हीरानंदानी को यदि हिम्मत है जिसके बारे में ये बात कर रही है, उसको हिंदुस्तान